To install the package, copy the part of the link starting with the word package. Next, open your Salesforce organization and paste the link after the first slash in the URL as shown in the video. Choose the options as shown and click the Install button. Installation may take up to 5 minutes. After successful installation, you will receive a notification to your email. Make sure the package is installed and navigate to the CloudBudget application from the Salesforce main menu. Quick Start analytics, budgets, and report data are generated automatically. You can start exploring budgets by clicking the Budget Manager button. Additionally, a standard report is available under the Report menu. Contact the CloudBudget team with any questions about the installation and basic setup at help@cloudbudget.com.